In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Sheets in Confluence. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have an interactive Google Sheet living right inside your Confluence page, so your team can view the latest data without jumping between tabs. First, get your Google Sheet ready. Open the sheet you want to embed and click the Share button in the top right corner. Set the access so that anyone with the link can view or choose the appropriate permission your organization requires. The key is before Resize that viewers must at least have view access. Otherwise, Confluence won't be able to display the sheet. When the permission looks right, click Copy Link. It's a good idea to double check the sharing setting one more time if your sheet contains sensitive data. Keep it view only unless you genuinely need others to edit. Now, head to the Confluence page where you want the sheet to appear. Click Edit to enter the editor. Decide where in the page the spreadsheet should live. Above a section heading, beneath a summary, or within a data-focused area, then place your cursor there. Paste the Google Sheets URL directly into the editor and press Enter. Give it a moment. Confluence recognizes Google links and will automatically create a smart link preview. If it doesn't show up right away, wait a second or repaste the link to prompt the preview. Quick note before we embed. If you need access to Google Sheets or Confluence, I've placed links at the very top of the description so you can get to the correct websites quickly. Back in the editor, click on the Inserted Link block. From the display options that appear, choose Embed. Instantly your Google Sheet renders right inside the page as an interactive view. You can scroll, switch tabs within the sheet, and present data cleanly. If you need to adjust the space it takes, use the Resize handle so the embedded sheet fits your layout. And if the page feels too busy, you can always switch the display back to a card or inline link later without losing the connection. Take a final look to make sure the right tab is visible and the content reads well. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your team can now view the spreadsheet directly in Confluence, staying in context with the documentation while seeing the most up-to-date numbers from Google Sheets. If someone can't see the data, it's almost always a permission issue on the Google side. So revisit that share setting. And that's how you add Google Sheets in Confluence, step by step. Embedding sheets keeps your documentation and data all in one place. Thanks for watching.